Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna talk about identity operators. Okay, what does the identity operator does? It just compares the memory location of the two objects of the or the two variables. There are two identity operators, is and is not. So let's just see how does it work in the code. Just suppose we have two operators A and B. Alright. And I want to print out the ID of A and ID of B. Alright, okay, what is the ID? Let me just show you here. Okay, what does the ID operator do? It just return you the identity of the object. Okay, what is the identity of the object? It's the memory address of that object. Alright, remember one point here that same value have a same memory address. Alright, whenever two variables have the same value, alright, they would have the same identity, alright, they would have the same memory address. So let me just show you here first. Okay, I have the 10 here, variable A with the value of a 10 and the variable B with the value of 20. Okay, they would definitely have the different ID numbers. Okay, you can see that they have different identity numbers. Alright, but if I just make the values of A and the B same, then it would have, both of them would have the same identity, alright, or same memory location. Okay, you can see that both of them have the same memory location. Is okay, if A is a B, okay, I already defined that the identity operators compares the memory location. If the memory location of A and B is same, so this condition would be true. But if the memory location of A and B are not similar, then it would comes out false. Print. Alright, so if both of these variables have the same memory location, the condition will be true, and as we know, our condition is true here. Both of these variables have the same value and same value have the same memory location. But if I just change the value of a B, it would give me the different memory allocation because A is not B anymore. Memory location of A is not identical to the memory location of B anymore. So this is how it works. Okay, but if I write the note here, right, note here, our scenario is completely reverse here. Different memory allocation and same. Alright, you got the point. Okay, what does this condition mean? The memory location of A must not be equal to memory location of B in order to make the condition true. If we want to make the condition true, then the memory location of A and B must not be equal. Alright, and but if I just give the same value to it, then this condition is not true anymore, and the same memory location would be printed out or executed. I hope you got my point. Okay, the output of is and is not is kind of similar to the output of equal to operator and not equal to operator. This is all for this video, and if you really find it helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.